What's up, guys? I found a new website that gives you access to use Grok and generate your videos for free. And before we proceed, just take a look at what we are going to be generating in this video. So if you're ready, I'm going to walk you through on how to go about it step by step in this particular video. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the video. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. Alright guys, this is the website we are going to be using. I'm going to be pinning the link to this website in the comment section. Just check it out. Now once you're here, you need to log into an account. Now if you don't have an account, you can sign up now. What I'm going to know and I'll just click on sign in with my Google account. Now once you log in, it's going to, you can see login successful. Then you're going to bring you to here. Now direction, choose your rule as well, what you want to. So you can just choose anything, and based on what I chose, it brought me to here. So what I'm going to, I just go back to the home. Now this is what I have. Now once you are on this particular page, what are you going to do? You are going to see, notice that they give you 200 credits. Now you can see on this side, you can answer any of this, but you will just, what I can just do, you can just close it off. Now on this, you can see on your 200 credits, you can see we have how they give you 200 credits once you sign into this website. Now we are going to be claiming you can see on every day once you log into this website, you'll be able to claim your 60 credits every day on this website. So now let me just claim it. Let me show you how to claim it. Once you click on claim, it's going to load up. So once it loads up, it's going to bring up something like this. Now what this means, what it really means is just for you to drag this particular shape to fit into any of these. Now for this one, now you notice that this is the shape that is going to fit best. So how do you drag it? Just using this, you drag it, and you can see once it gets to there, you just, once it fits in, you just leave it, and that is all. You can see completed. Now you can see 60 credit has been added to mine. Now you can see you need to use it, the 60 credit, before that 3 days, because it's going to expire within 3 days. So that's just, I'm just going to click on the cut it. Now you can see my 360 is now showing 260, and you can see you tomorrow. So tomorrow you can come and claim another 60 credits. That is it. Now let's now go to the business of today, which is creating our videos using Grok. Now how do I do that? Now you can see from here, you can see you have script, you have scripts, you can decide to upload your script here. So you can see we have skills here. You can decide to use create video. So anyone you want to marketing, is it marketing you want to do, marketing material, video you want to do, is it anything you want to do, you can just try to show you something. So you can just pick from here and use a template directly from here. But I'm going to be, you can see we have here imagine video. So I'll just go to here, click on imagine video, and it's going to bring me to a blank space like this. Now this is now telling me I'm going to be using video that what I want to do. Now from here, I'm going to click on upload. Now on this upload, I will bring in the image I want to upload. So you can see it's uploading. Once the picture finished uploading, what you're going to, once you click on it, you're going to see all this showing here. But now I'm going to, this is where we are going to focus on under the agent. I'm going to switch to video. Then I'm going to, you can see Grok Imagine here. So under the Grok Imagine, I'm going to, you can see when you select Grok Imagine, it's going to cost you 40 credits. Now if you should select, let's say I select, you can see this one is going to, I have to have the pro account to make use of this students. Now all these ones I have to make use of the full. Then okay, let me say I want to use let me say I want to use clean AI for this particular one. Okay, but you can see we have students 1.2 pro. So guys, you can also make use, you can see this is just, this one will just cost me 50 credits. So you can try it out, you can try all these ones out. You can see hello 2 point, you can see it's cost 40 something. Now on this you can see clean AI is costing also 40 credits. Now this is costing 20, which is I think the cheapest so far on this particular platform. So you can see now but for this, as I said earlier, we're going to be making use of Grok Imagine. So I'm going to switch to my Grok. Now on the style, you can decide to choose the style you want to use. I can decide to choose the style, but I'm not going to choose any style. I'll paste in my prompt here. So this is the thing. As I pasted my prompts, it's start telling me it's best I convert it to text. So if I should convert it to text, All right, so you can. I tried pasting my prompts. You can see I tried pasting my prompt, but it was now telling me it was as in it was refusing to bring in from here currently. I don't know. Maybe from your own end it will be going to work out. But for now, I think what I've noticed here is not pasting. It's refusing to paste my prompt to accept my prompt. So it's just telling me that I have to convert it to, and when I try converting it, it's not working. So what I simply just did was to just type my prompt in here directly, and after doing that, I'm going to now you click on send. You can see I've entered my prompt, my image is here, so I'm going to now click on send. So once I click on send, it's going to see it's going to start. You can see it has start working on what I provided for it. So now let's just wait and see what is going to produce out for me. See, it says activate workflow, use Grok Imagine to generate videos. So now you can see it's working. So let's just wait. All right, guys, it has finished upload. So let me just click on this. Now you can see this is the video it generated for me. So let me so to download, I'm going to click on the video. So if you're okay with the video it generated, what you can just simply just do is to right click on it and you can see download. So you can see if you want to download HD, is going to cost you, this is it, it's going to cost you additional, let's say, 1 credit for each per 2 seconds video. So that is it, but I'm going to just download it directly. So I'm going to just click on download and you can see it's download, and you can see they've gathered their 40 credits. So I still have 220 credits remaining here. So that you can see this. Now I'll be playing the video I just generated in the this video so that you see it out. Now you can see this is how I was able to generate, and I still have this. So guys, why not just seize it? You can see with what I just did now with my 200, and I can create, so far I can generate more than 5 videos using this. I think I can even generate up to like almost 10. No, it's not going to. I can generate up to, yeah, about 5 videos with this, with the credits I have right now. I can generate up to 5 videos. So now every day when you once you come in here, you can keep generating more videos as you want. And also, you know, remember you can also try their other models, such as the, before you come to agents, you can try other video models. So if you scroll down, you will see the free ones. You see now we can see we have this, which is the cheapest. You can also try other models. Sidens, which I think is 50 credit for. See, there's 1.5. Guys, you can try it out. It's very okay. See, there's 1.5. It's very, very okay. And with the credits you're giving, you can generate up to 4 videos with the free credits you're going to be giving. So that just it. So now you can, guys, just try this website out and let me know your experience in the comment section. And please, guys, you need to try this website out as it's coming out, because this is a new website. Because I don't want a situation whereby after a while and you come and tell me it's not working. Because at this point is me recording this video, this particular site is a new site, so is everything is working. Just follow the step I use and you're going to successfully generate your videos. So I'll be waiting for your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.